here is how you can disable OneDrive on the iPhone. Let me guide you through various possible scenarios and ways you can actually disable it. Let's get started. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. First of all, the easiest step would be to just hold down on the app and delete it fully, right? Obviously, but outside of that, we can as well disable it in different places. For example, you can open up the Files app, and in the side panel or in the left browse section, we can see all of our locations. And if you want to disable it in a sense that it's no longer going to be available in here in the locations, you can click on the three dots and at the top, tap the edit and uncheck the OneDrive in here, meaning that it's no longer going to be available in the Files app and it will be disabled in this sense. Another thing you might not like about the app and you might want to disable is the automatic camera backup. So when you open up the OneDrive app, you can see that we have photos and files, and if you have the backup enabled, it means that all of the pictures, photos, and videos stored in your iPhone gallery are automatically uploaded and backed up to OneDrive. And if you don't like that, just tap on your profile in the top left corner, proceed to the settings, and you should see the camera backup right here. And this is a place to stop it from happening or from working. You can turn it off as such, right? And that is how you can also disable OneDrive in yet another sense. And also we have the subscription management right here below. So I guess you can also manage it as such and perhaps downgrade to like a lower subscription if you would want to. So this is something which you can take a look at it too. But let me know if you managed to find what you needed. I really hope that I can help you out with that. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in future videos as well.